Hi all, welcome to Varam Nutra. On the menu, today we have 4 healthy thick soup recipes. From sweet potato soup to veg noodle soup, 4 winter soups that can aid in weight loss. During winter, there is nothing quite as comforting as a warm bowl of soup. So first let's see sweet potato carrot soup. Take a saucepan, add sweet potato 150 grams and 50 grams of diced carrots. Add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Add half a teaspoon of peppercorns. Add around 500 ml of water and close with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once it's cool, transfer to a blender and make a fine puree. Transfer it back to a saucepan, add required salt and pepper, allow it to heat and your soup is ready. Oregano is optional, which gives a nice flavor to the soup. Whether looking for a filling lunch or an evening appetizer, healthy soups are the way to go. Enjoy the hot soup with any starter. Next on the menu we have mixed dal millet soup. Moong dal 1 teaspoon, tur dal 1 teaspoon, channa dal kadalaparupu 1 teaspoon, masoor dal 1 teaspoon and little millet 1 teaspoon. Wash everything well and add to your pressure cooker and cook for about 7 to 8 whistles. This is a protein-rich soup which helps in weight loss too. Add 1 tomato, add little mint leaves, curry leaves and coriander leaves. Add a bay leaves, little cinnamon and 2 cloves. Add 2 cardamoms, peppercorns. Add 1.5 cups water and allow to cook. Pressure cook for 7 to 8 whistles. Remove the bay leaf. Allow it to cool, transfer it to your blender and make a fine paste. Add the puree to a saucepan, add required water, add required salt and pepper, heat it and serve hot. A good bowl of soup not only fills your appetite but also enriches the body with protein and minerals that are required during these cold winter days. Next on the menu we have veg noodle soup. Take a pressure cooker, ginger 1/4 teaspoon, garlic 3 to 4 pods, finely chopped onion 1 tablespoon, diced carrots 1, diced pumpkin little, add chopped beans little, add tomato 1 and little curry leaves. Add about a cup of water and allow to cook for about 3 whistles. Once pressure releases, cool it and put it in a blender and make a puree. Put a saucepan on the stove, add little butter, add little chopped onions, finely chopped carrots. Saute for a minute and add finely chopped beans. Add fresh peas little, then little sweet corn. Saute for a minute or two. Add a cup of water and allow the veggies to cook for 5 minutes. Once the veggies are cooked, add the puree into it. Add required water. Add required salt. Add half a cake of noodles into it. You must have noticed I am not adding any corn flour in any of my soups. Now cook till the noodles become soft. Add required pepper powder. Serve it hot in a serving bowl. Your tasty veg noodles is ready to be served. Next comes the moong dal bottle gourd soup. Take a pressure cooker, add quarter cup of soaked moong dal. I've soaked the moong dal for about 6 to 7 hours. Add bottle gourd 100 grams. Add garlic 3 to 4 pods. Add tomato 1. Add curry leaves little and coriander leaves little. Add peppercorns half a teaspoon. Add around 500 ml of water. Pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Allow to cool. Once cooled down, put it in a mixer jar and make a puree. Transfer it to a saucepan. Add required water. For all the soups, if you want, you can add butter along with the soup when it's boiling. Add required salt. I'm adding little butter into it. So just heat till the butter melts down. Very tasty, healthy moong dal bottle gourd soup is ready. Hope you enjoyed all the 4 soups. Try it. Let me know in the comments box. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, share the videos with your friends and families. Thanks for watching Varam Nutra.